But let me quickly go across and get you this breaking news which is coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. Senior NC leader Omar Abdullah has accepted defeat from North Kashmir. Rashid Engineer, an independent candidate, is now emerging victorious, whereas in Anantnag, Mehbooba Mufti is trailing. So both Omar Abdullah as well as Mehbooba Mufti trailing on their respective seats. Let me quickly go across to my colleague Pradeep for more on this. Pradeep, things not looking good for either Omar Abdullah or Mehbooba Mufti. Get us more of what exactly is happening there.
See, one thing is quite clear that people of Jammu and Kashmir, they have rejected both the dynastic parties. They have rejected both the former Chief Minister Omar Abdullah as well as Mehbooba Mufti. Mehbooba Mufti was contesting election from Anantnag constituency while Omar Abdullah was contesting from Baramulla constituency. In Anantnag constituency, we saw it was Mia Altaf of National Conference with won, while from the Baramulla constituency, it is Engineer Rashid, a Jain leader who has won the election. And that clearly indicates, because these two leaders have been quite vocal against abrogation of Article 370. That means people of Jammu and Kashmir have no problem with the abrogation of Article 370, but they have seen a kind of a change. Here at Hamirpur, I am right now in the BJP office, and you can see how the women are celebrating. They are celebrating victory of Anurag Thakur for the 5th consecutive time he has won election. They are dancing, they are singing, because it's a very big moment for them. कितना बड़ा दिन है आपके लिए ये?
बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है। अनुराग जी 5वीं बार जो है सांसद बने हैं, अब उनको बहुत बड़ा पद मिलने वाला है। आदरणीय मोदी जी देश के प्रधानमंत्री बनेंगे और हमें बहुत ही खुशी है। रिकॉर्ड तोड़ मतों से जीते हैं हमारे अनुराग जी।
5वीं बार अनुराग जी एक इतिहास बनाया, तो आप कैसे देखते हैं?
हम ये देखते हैं कि अनुराग जी ने जितना भी विकास यहाँ पे कराया है, उसके आगे तो उनकी बम्पर जीत होनी ही थी।
आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आज?
हम तो आज निशब्द हैं। हम
कुछ गा के सुनाएंगे आज के मौके पे?
बिल्कुल
सुनाइए।
तेरी हारा ना हो यारों के जोर बतेरा लाया, तेरी हारा ना हो यारों के जोर बतेरा लाया, तेरी हारा ना हो यारों के जोर बतेरा लाया।
So what they are trying to say, if you listen to the lyrics carefully, they are saying that opposition parties, they tried their level best to defeat you, but they did not succeed, because once again your development model has really worked, because the kind of development you have brought in the region has once again ensured people to get you victorious. It's the 5th time that we have won. But so far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned, once again people of Jammu and Kashmir captures to democracy. But yes,
Pradeep, you know, I'm not able to hear you very clearly because of all the singing, but clearly it's a good day for Anurag Thakur individually, perhaps not so much for his party, the Bharatiya Janata Party. But we're showing our viewers both hill states, Himachal Pradesh, where Anurag Thakur has won. The sitting MP has won from Hamirpur. While on the other hand, in Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah and Mehbooba Mufti both trailing from their respective seats. That means it's a big jolt for the India bloc. My colleague Sahil is joining with more on this. Sahil, both Omar Abdullah as well as Mehbooba Mufti trailing on their respective seats. A clear message by the voters.
Well, in fact, a big setback for Abdullahs and Muftis in Jammu and Kashmir, particularly in Kashmir Valley. Mehbooba Mufti and Omar Abdullah have now, in fact, posted on X and accepted defeat much before the official announcement. Engineer Rashid, who is currently in Tihar jail, is leading by 128,000 votes from Baramulla constituency, where he was contesting against Omar Abdullah. And Sajjad Ghani Lone of Jammu and Kashmir People's Conference was also contesting from this particular Baramulla constituency. Mehbooba Mufti, former J&K Chief Minister and PDP Chief, was contesting from Anantnag Rajouri Parliamentary constituency, but there, in fact, her opponent, Mia Altaf of National Conference, is leading by around 222,000 votes with a huge margin. And since in fact, from round first, Mia Altaf of National Conference continued to consolidate his lead. Both Omar Abdullah and Mehbooba Mufti, former Chief Ministers of Jammu and Kashmir, have accepted defeat. They have posted on X and, in fact, saying, Mehbooba Mufti particularly saying that she will continue to stand for her views and for ideology, thanking her party workers, congratulating her opponent, Omar Abdullah, saying that this victory, in fact, is not not going to hasten the release of jailed leader Engineer Rashid from prison, or the people of Baramulla will not get the representation they deserve. But at the same time, he has accepted these results because the leads at the moment are very clear in favor of those two leaders, one Engineer Rashid in Baramulla and other the Mia Altaf of National Conference. But yes, the voters who came out in large numbers this month and voted, because for the first time Kashmir Valley,
that high voter turnout, Sahil, clearly sending out a message to the political leadership in Jammu and Kashmir. Sahil, I'll come back to you. Thanks very much for joining us at the moment and getting us the latest from there.